Back for another update. Let's take a look at XRP over here. And XRP is still bullish. Like I said, I still do think that 38 cent was our very bottom right over here. Okay, so right over here is where I think XRP bottomed out. And that would be at the macro 78.6% fib measured from our wave 1 lows. So if you measure the move from January 2023 up to the high here at 94 cent, you do see that we did come down to the 78.6% fib right over here. And then we saw a rapid incline to the upside, a little bit over 60%. Okay, and then we rejected at the 70.2 to 78.6% fib on the linear scale. So as you guys can see here, we rejected at the 702, 786. Okay, so we found support at the 786, rallied over 60%, and then we saw a flat pattern to the downside, so a 3-wave move, right? So this over here could have been your wave 1, and this over here could have been your wave 2, and right now we're grinding out our 3rd wave to the upside. Okay, so XRP is bullish. You can see that it has been trying to make its way above this neckline over here. You guys see this inverted head and shoulders neckline? Okay, this over here would be your left shoulder. This over here would be your head, and then here's your right shoulder, and now we're currently rallying back towards this neckline over here. Okay, so going forward, what XRP bulls would want to see is a move above 0.62 on the 4-hour time frame, so we can validate more upside. Okay, so you can see that on my last XRP update, we did see some rejection over here. But I did say that there is a possibility you have one more drive up here towards the 786 before seeing that turn down. But I want to make you aware that if we do get above the 78.6% fib here at 0.6205, then it's likely we'll continue higher for that breakout. Okay, so right now we are still under critical resistance, and I think it's very crucial to watch USDT dominance as well, because that'll give us a hint on where exactly the market sentiment is shifting. When we take a look at USDT dominance over here, we do see a possible bearish head and shoulders pattern. And what crypto bulls would want to see is for a 4-hour closure below the 88.6% fib here at 5.5%. If you get a 4-hour closure below this 5.5%, below this 5.5% level at the 88.6% fib, then it's likely that crypto will continue to go higher while USDT dominance continues its way down, breaking below the neckline of this bearish head and shoulders pattern. Now, there always is the possibility that this over here is an A, B, C correction. This is an A, B, C down, and then we're going to see a 5-wave move to the upside, right? So this over here would be your A, this over here would be your B, and then we have a C wave up, and this C wave would cause crypto to go down. Okay, so going forward, what crypto bulls would want to see is a 4-hour close below 5.5%, so we can confirm more upside on crypto. Okay, because remember, this chart moves opposite to that of crypto. When we take a look at Bitcoin over here, you see how we rallied towards this horizontal resistance about 6 times now, printing the same pattern as XRP, right? Inverted head and shoulders. It's just a little, you just have the neckline a little bit more flat, while the neckline on XRP is a little bit more slanted here. Okay, so going forward, what XRP bulls would want to see is a 4-hour closure above 0.6205 to invalidate a scenario in which we see a rejection upon making our way to 0.62 below 0.54. Okay, so it would be like a 3-wave move down, 3-wave move up, and then you have a 5-wave move to the downside below 0.54. Okay, so going forward, XRP bulls would need a 4-hour closure above 0.6205 to confirm more upside. Okay, because there always is the possibility of us coming up, wicking up here, and then seeing a turn down or a check back before we have more continuation, or a larger check back before having that move higher. Okay, and then while you're looking at XRP, it's crucial that you also watch USDT dominance, because nothing will move without it. Okay, so going forward, crypto bulls would want to see a 4-hour close below 5.5% on USDT dominance. This is Bitcoin right over here. Okay, rally towards this horizontal resistance 6 times now. You guys see? Okay, so a 4-hour close above 61,813 would be a bullish sign, because this could also be a flat pattern as well, right? You have a 3-wave move down, a 3-wave move up, coming towards the 1.236% extension, which would be right over here at around 64,000. And then you would see a 5-wave move to the downside. Okay, this would be the less likely scenario. The more likely scenario is that we do see the break above, but definitely monitor this level over here while watching USDT dominance. Okay, because this is either a bearish head and shoulders pattern on USDT dominance, but if we end up holding this 886, then there is a possibility that this over here is just a B wave before we have a C wave to the upside to any of these fibs above. Okay, to these fibs right over here. Okay, to any of these fibs. So then this over here would be your A wave, your B wave, and then your C wave. And then you see the turn down from there. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I think it's very crucial to watch while you're watching XRP and while you're watching Bitcoin. Keep your eyes on USDT dominance, because nothing in the market will move without this. Right now, this is acting as our trendline liquidity over here. Okay, we have liquidity resting below this trend line over here. Okay, very similarly, we have liquidity resting above this horizontal trend line on Bitcoin. Okay, above 61,813. Okay, so USDT dominance, what bulls want to see, a move below 5.5%. Bitcoin bulls want to see a move above 61,813 on the 4-hour, and for XRP, a 4-hour close above 0.6205 to confirm more upside, and to confirm that this in fact was our ABC correction for our wave 2. Okay, and now we're starting our wave 3 to the upside. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And if you guys want to stay updated with the analysis, then definitely click the link in the description below to join the Discord and Patreon. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.